Embracing the vegan lifestyle. The vegan lifestyle has gained remarkable momentum in recent years as more individuals recognize the profound impact of their dietary choices on personal health, environmental sustainability, and animal welfare. Embracing a vegan lifestyle involves abstaining from the consumption of animal products, including meat, dairy, eggs, and honey, while adopting a plant-based diet rich in fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. The health benefits. One of the primary motivations for many individuals to adopt a vegan lifestyle is the array of potential health benefits associated with plant-based diets. Numerous studies have shown that a well-balanced vegan diet can contribute to lower risks of heart disease, hypertension, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Plant-based diets are often rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, promoting overall well-being and longevity. Environmental impact. The environmental implications of a vegan lifestyle are profound. Livestock agriculture is a leading contributor to deforestation, water pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. By choosing plant-based alternatives, individuals can significantly reduce their carbon footprint, conserve water resources, and contribute to the preservation of biodiversity. The vegan lifestyle aligns with sustainable practices that promote a healthier planet for current and future generations. The ethical considerations. Animal welfare is a cornerstone of the vegan lifestyle. Advocates of veganism argue that all sentient beings have the right to live free from harm and exploitation. The production of animal products often involves intensive farming practices, confined spaces, and inhumane treatment. Adopting a vegan lifestyle allows individuals to align their values with their choices, promoting compassion and kindness towards animals. Veganism beyond diet. The vegan lifestyle extends beyond dietary choices, encompassing various aspects of daily living. Cruelty-free fashion, beauty products, and household items are increasingly popular among those committed to a vegan lifestyle. The emphasis is on choosing products that are not tested on animals and do not contain any animal-derived ingredients, ensuring a holistic approach to ethical living. The challenges and solutions. While the vegan lifestyle offers numerous benefits, individuals may face challenges such as finding suitable food options, navigating social situations, and addressing nutritional concerns. However, with the growing popularity of veganism, there is a surge in plant-based alternatives, vegan-friendly restaurants, and a wealth of information on nutrition to support those transitioning to this lifestyle. The vegan lifestyle represents a conscious and compassionate choice that goes beyond personal health. By adopting a vegan lifestyle, individuals contribute to environmental sustainability, animal welfare, and the creation of a more ethical and compassionate world. As awareness continues to grow, the vegan movement is likely to play a crucial role in shaping a healthier, more harmonious future for both people and the planet. When preparing your vegan meals, or your plant-based smoothies recipes, check out the comment section for the best blenders to make your meal prep so much easier. I hope this information on embracing the vegan lifestyle was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So let's make a change in our eating habits for a healthier life. And remember, you are what you eat. Thanks for watching.